Okay, here's another revamped look at the home theater setup. I hope I can remember all the model numbers. Anyways, now I have a Paradigm CC190 center speaker, Paradigm Monitor 9 version 6 sides, the SVS PB12 Monster Doghouse subwoofer, still have that. And now Pioneer Elite SC27, Bell ExpressView PVR, Yamaha CD carousel, Sony ps3, the new Denon BDT 2500 Blu-ray player, Xbox 360, Belkin power conditioner, and the Sony XBR 4. Again, that SVS sub killer. And in the back we're running Mythos Gems, Definitive Technology Mythos Gems XL, and just normal gems in the rear. Alright, and you can see my seating position here. That's the seating position. Actually flip up the lazy boy. Boom! There you go. That's what I'm looking at. So anyways, any questions about any of the items I'm running, let me know. Everything I have, I've probably changed 3 or 4 times, so I think I'm happy pretty much with what I have now. Ciao for now.